Stealth technology by Bibek Owl. What is stealth technology? Stealth technology aims at minimizing transmitted and reflected rays so that it can be invisible to radars and remain undetected from its opponents. Stealth technology is mainly used in military vehicles such as aircrafts, ships, submarines, missiles, satellites, and ground vehicles. This is an example of a stealth aircraft here. How does it work? The metal body of a regular plane is very good at reflecting radar signals and makes it easy to be detected by other radars in the area. Most conventional aircrafts have rounded shapes. This shape makes them aerodynamic, but it also creates a very efficient radar reflector. The round shape means that no matter where the radar signal hits the plane, some of the signal gets reflected back to the radar, which causes them to be detected by the radar. Right here in this image, as you can see, that's the rounded shape, and then the radar sends a echo or like energy waves and reflects back. Um, there are two different ways to create invincibility. Invisibility. The airplane can be shaped so that any radar signals is reflected. Any radar signal it reflects are reflected away from the radar equipment. The second way is the airplane can also be covered in material that absorbs radar signals, so it isn't detected from radars. Um, this is a image of a stealth aircraft. It is not the absorbing material; it's the shaped one. It's made up of completely flat surfaces and is very sharp edges. When a radar signal hits a stealth plane, the signal will reflect away at an angle. As you can see, the rays come in and they reflect away at an angle this way, upwards or downwards. Um, Benefits to stealth technology. Stealth aircrafts are harder to detect, making it easier for aircrafts going through airspace, restricted airspaces, or any airspace without being detected, giving the aircraft the element of surprise. This will also lead to more successful missions and a lot fewer casualties. This is an image of a stealth aircraft, and the rays are being reflected away. Effectiveness of stealth technology. Absorbing material on a plane is way more effective than a shaped aircraft because no rays are being bounced off the aircraft, which and just being absorbed, which makes it hard to detect. But in a shaped aircraft, they're being bounced off, and they have a chance of hitting a radar and being detected. Stealth technology is very effective. It doesn't make you invisible to the eye, but it makes you invisible to most radars, which is why it's effective and gives you the element of surprise. Over here is an image of absorbing material. The rays come in, as you can see, it gets absorbed by the material and disappears eventually. These are my references. Thank you for listening.